All right, check this out. Today is a big day for the D.C. music scene. The Go-Go Museum and Cafe is officially open for business.
Yeah, the district celebrated its grand opening this morning with live music. You had food and special guests. Our Leslie Moreno is in historic Anacostia with a look at what we can expect.
DC's first state-of-the-art Go-Go Museum and Cafe, celebrating a music genre that originated here in DC and paying homage to Chuck Brown, also known as the godfather of go-go, as well as so many others who followed by his example. Go-Go's rhythm is rooted in funk and soul and a call and response with the audience. The interactive museum features state-of-the-art exhibits.
You can learn more about specific artifacts.
Like this AI-powered hologram that answers any of your go-go questions. Or this interactive exhibit showcasing go-go samples in popular hip-hop culture.
I don't know if you ever heard Nelly's Hot in Here. That's actually a sample of Chuck Brown, and you can actually see and go through all of the different artists that sample that particular song. So you'll click on here.
It also celebrates the women of go-go.
Sweet Cherie, she has been pivotal to the foundations of go-go.
You can also find a cafe on the first floor representing a variety of diaspora street food, and an entire recording studio and stage for bands and artists to perform.
It means a lot because a lot of time people, history and culture get lost as time go by. Having this here means that we keep our culture and our history locked in.
Ron Moten, the co-founder of the museum, says it honors the go-go movement and the challenges the Black community in D.C. have gone through.
So we're going to be recording right here on this stage, the Pocket Stage, right, with artists from around the country, right, and local artists, and doing our remix and getting on the radio and getting our artists paid. We're going to be teaching them how to do scores, to do commercials and things. It's so much money in music, but the young people don't know about it.
If you're a DC resident, the museum is free. If you're not a resident, it's $15. We'll have much more information on WUSA9.com. In Southeast DC, Leslie Moreno, WUSA 9.